In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create purchase order in QuickBooks Online. A purchase order, or PO, is simply a formal request you send to a vendor to supply goods or services. It helps you lock in quantities, prices, and delivery details before anything ships, and it keeps your books clean by tracking what you've ordered but haven't yet received. Once you're on your QuickBooks Online dashboard, creating a purchase order is quick and straightforward. Start by clicking the New button at the top left of your screen. Depending on your layout, it might appear as a plus sign with the word New. From the list that opens, select Purchase Order. This opens the purchase order form. First, add your vendor. Use the vendor field to search and select the supplier you're buying from. When you choose a vendor, QuickBooks fills in any saved contact and address details to speed things up. If the vendor isn't in your list yet, you can create them right here so you don't have to leave the form. Next, fill in the lines for what you're ordering. You'll see two kinds of lines: category details and item details. Category details are best when you're ordering something that doesn't need inventory tracking, like a service or a general expense. Item details are ideal for products or services you've set up as items, which carry a specific name, SKU, or inventory tracking. On each line, enter a clear description, the quantity, the rate or cost, and any applicable tax. If you use features like class or location tracking, add those so your reporting stays accurate. Take a moment to double-check spelling and units. This is what your vendor will see. Now add any other details that make the PO complete and self-explanatory. Review the PO date and number. Add a ship-to address if different from your company address, and include a requested delivery date, terms, or a message to the vendor if needed. The memo field is great for internal notes your team might need later. If you have supporting documents such as a quote, attach them so everything stays organized with the transaction. When everything looks right, click Save. You can use Save and Close to finish up, or Save and New if you're creating more than one. That's it. The purchase order is created. From here, you can print or email it to your vendor when you're ready, and later, you'll be able to convert it into a bill or match it to received items to keep your records accurate.